Onakale siyakhala manje. Noma ngabe izindle zodaka. KwaZulu Natal lapha vumani ingoma. Msane nje ukuzenza nje ingcethe ningazathi ndini. Noma ngabe izindle zodaka. Usekhaya lapho. Usekhaya lapho. Wema. Noma ngabe izindle zodaka. Usekhaya lapho. Usekhaya lapho.
Usekhaya lapho.
Wema.
Abangabezindli zodaka.
Awusenkingeni Mr Magic kodwa akanhlanti mina ngihlala emaphuzweni. Siyakhala manje. Ngizwa umlando kamculo intombi asemdaba la kasemqoma ngoba semntanda evuma nevule kole semina washo phambi uvumela umthatha kulale insizwa. Atalike nizolo balo kadla kwasamento kuyakwazi ukuvela. Silapha kwazinana ngesentence kwalapha lapho maqhubeni kade abekuvalela umthatho. Uhloko manje ufuna amadoda. Walakamthaniye kole senele ngesengeze kwaZulu Natal. I'm the president of the Benga Nation. Ngizwe umlando omchunu enkandla. Khandla. You know it very well. Engifuna ukuzwe ngoba izulu sami siqinile deputy president. Ngizothi umtshontshele nje ngesingisi. Ngoba naso ngiyasaza nginendaba noma sikhubazekile kodwa yisi. Ngoma khuluma izulu sodwa olekela uziyofika eGoli ukuthi akucishwe iradio. Siyakhala manje. Bengalele bahlonishwa. Ring, you are the man and the artist of all times. Can you give him the huge round of applause? Eugene, there's a reason why you are still alive. Use that moment and make sure that you plow that seed that make you survive till now, to the next generation. We shouldn't be here if our forefathers have thought differently. That they are here now, so what? What about the past? What about the next? There is no future without yesterday. There is no tomorrow without today. There is nothing without today's people making sure that there is future. We are here and standing here. I am the president of the Benga Nation. The creative industry can never exist without people. People can't exist without creative industry. Give them food of the soul. It gives them food of thought. It gives them creativity for their plans in their future. Popular countries are closed across the globe. They are famous as a result of creative industry. What does American people produce? Nothing except showbiz industry. Nothing else. They only produce art. Sport and arts. Brazil produce art and sport. Ngakho ke ukufushanisa nje kabili kathathu. Baba dala impofu ngohlonipha kakhulu umfowethu ndiyasibiya njengomfowethu esasebenza naye eMkhosini nami wangiphatha kancane nje usuzophuma ngithi ngiyabonga ngani yakwethu ukuba khona kwakho la ukulindile uthabo pastor ngoFebruary. Mongezi Vokathwala uyiphethe kahle eFref in the province ukhuthele futhi. You are very active and I like it. Please continue. I'm watching you. Baba, mashali Vokathamini. Mkhaya. Awu, hey, awona mose kholo uyangithanda mawula kwaZulu Natal ngoba kushoke kahle ukuthi mkhaya. Baba, you are already in your home. Thank you very much. I admire my leader and Deputy President, you are just more than just a normal person. You are the leader and you are the injection that soon will unveil itself to the next generation. All the pains that you have gone through with the Commander-in-Chief, you must know that you are the inspiration of each and every age group, young people, and the future leaders of this country. I admire the whole AFF players. Unapologetically, as the president of the Bhinqa Nation, Linda Smith, mfowethu, uyiqhawe lami, uyingcwele yami, mfowethu amagama washilo. We have a serious problem in this province. And this province and Gauteng, there is no South Africa without KZN and Gauteng. So if people of KZN, you got so much power, but you must use it. What answer? Chris Brown na lolo munye wakufone uJohn Foster wakufonela yona nakhuluma naye. That shows that art can take you all over the world.
That was it.
In short, Deputy President, as Amapinga, I'm here to represent Amapinga as the president of the Bhinqa Nation. The majority of my people typical, live in hostels, believing in themselves, and don't know anybody else, only know themselves. And West, they've created their own happiness while they are suffering. While we have a government in this country. What Linda Spear have experienced, I've experienced it even 10 times. Because we don't have leaders. We're having people who are deployed through political engagement and political maneuvering. We don't have people who are deployed as a result of their skills and knowledge. In short, if you as Abantu, the EFF, I am here as an independent body. As an independent body representing Amapinga. Asinamhlaba ngaphandle kwaSulu. Asinamhlaba ngaphandle ko-entertainer. Can you open a school when you spot the talent? Can you open a developmental school if it means that person olomuntu afunde noma ngabe kuthiwa 3 months azi ukuthi njengoba umhlaba usuphethe social media, njengoba umhlaba usuphethwe isimo esibhekene naso njengamanje, pressure, people are dying, artists are dying of hunger, frustrations, depression as a result of they are the motivational and they are in a stage and they have nothing. So Nitimina, EFF, if you really want my people, because you need to convince me enough in order to give you my people. I am only the person who's got an authority to command the KZN citizen to say where they must go. Convince me enough. So now, lastly, Vulanis call Sabant Abazukurunya so that South Africa can be like America, where you have a highly professional managed talent. Bese lapha esikoleni nezesiqiniseko sokuthi bayafunda nabama artist lezi igroup nje lapha lezi lezo oros lapha. But some of them, they are angry because they misuse funds. Financial management is important for artists. If through the poor financial management, we shouldn't have Ringo today. We shouldn't have today. So it's important. Education is important. Please make sure that you take care of my people. Mapinga, we have no home. We have Malencane to Ipinga in the Tengaziluto, Prenuti, Pupu, Engaziluto. Can you wrap that perception? I'm standing here as the president of the nation. Out there, people know to me. Nyatanya, Shivambo Yatanya, Ombo Yatanya. Yatanya mina.
Pagat.
Antanya.
Pagat.
So how can I be the leader and be crazy?
Thank you.
I'm not crazy. I know what I'm representing.
Never this. When we say.
Yabo.
Never this. That's a big trouble. Cool. Thank you. Never this. Thank you. Okay, I have. Okay, thank you so much. As a big trouble, President of the Nation. Thank you. When we do.